Good morning guys, I am vlogging on my new camera, my Canon G7X Mark II. I am obsessed, it is so amazing. I'm also a little bit sunburned from the other day, so I'm just gonna ignore that. But I thought I'd bring you guys along on my day today. I'm gonna get up and put some swimmers on and meet my friend Gabby at the beach. Alrighty, I'm ready for the beach. Wow, I look really pale on my tummy. I don't know why. I promise I'm not actually that pale. But yeah, these are my swimmers. Bottoms are from... can't remember. At all. I can't remember. I'm sorry. Tops from City Beach though. So I'm gonna take these two. The Sunbum 50 Plus and tanning oil. I'm also going to take a hat because I don't want my face to get burnt. Look at that. That is perfect. That looks like a Miss Gabby out there. These days, it's not easy, cause you say I'm back from the beach. It was super nice. Gabby and I did a coffee scrub that she made us, so my skin is super soft now, and I'm just getting dressed because I'm going to go into Ballina and get some drinks for tonight because Bryn and I are going to a party. I am at the car wash. I just filled up my car and now I'm getting the ultimate laser wash for my car because I know that's really lazy. I should just wash it myself, but at this petrol station, if you get $40 or more of fuel, you get half price off. So I thought, why not? The beach was so nice, guys. Like, the waves were perfect. The water was a little bit cold, but it was so fresh. After this, I'm gonna go into Dan's and get some alcohol for tonight, but I don't know what to get. I'm kind of sick of everything I normally get. I might get some pink gin because I really like that. I thought I'd show you guys the car wash because I love being in the car wash and like all the pretty colors and stuff. So you guys, if you have any good alcohol recommendations, I don't really like dark spirits and I hate Coke, so anything that's light or any nice champagne or wine or something, let me know. It's starting. These make me so happy. Yes, clean my car. Look at this. I'm back at home. I ended up getting a 6-pack of Mercury draft ciders and then a 4-pack of Ruskies. The Ruskies were on sale. They're less than 1 standard drink each, but I got 4. So there could be like a pre-thing. And then Mercury's, my friend Sam drinks them and she got me onto them and I really like them. So I'm going to start getting ready now and straighten my hair.
Settling in, settling down. Falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in the crown. A crown, a crown, a crown. A king and a queen royally bound.
Good morning guys, today is Sunday and I'm just about to head off to the bangalow market, but I thought I'd bring you guys along and show you what it's like. So I'll see you when we get there.
You were the laughter
early in the morning, down in the kitchen, watching TV. You were the music that led me to the sixth string, and now it's been so long since I've heard you sing. I looked up.
We're back now, back in the car. We've done a lap around the whole thing, and there's a fair few stalls. I know not last weekend but the weekend before we went to the Chenin markets, and they had probably half the amount of stalls they normally have, but the bangalow ones are going off. That was good, but Bryn and I were just saying that they don't have hardly anywhere near as much fruit and veg as what they normally have, which sucks, but that's okay. We still got this cool salt. Bryn's taken it out of the packaging, but it's this brand. It's got sea salt, black and green peppercorns, basil, parsley and sun-dried tomatoes. And we're just looking at this poor chick that, I don't know if she crashed or someone's crashed into her car.
This salt's good.
But yeah, it's super windy, so we'd normally spend a little bit longer here, but we're just deciding to go home. These ice blocks though are all natural ingredients. This is the mango and passion fruit, and they're so freaking good, and they're only $4, so highly recommend. We're just gonna go home now, and I'm
lit.
and I'm thinking of making a veggie lasagna for dinner, so I'm gonna have to sort out to see what ingredients I have.
Jade actually wakes up each morning already knowing what's for dinner the next day or the next 3 or 4 days. So I'll put that out
You're
there.
exposing me. I'll speak to you when we're doing something a little bit more exciting. We bought some new fish. What are these ones? Guppies?
Yeah.
We've got 3 male and 1 female, and some weed for their tank. It's about 5:15 now. I'm gonna go get the horses and rug them and feed them. I've had a really nice day. Mia just left, but I'll see you soon. So I thought I'd just take a moment to recap on today and fill you guys in on anything I didn't film. So after the markets, we went to a pet shop and bought some more fish, just some little guppies and some weed for their tank. And then went back to Bryn's, and then I came home and Mia came over and we had a little food platter, as you would have seen, and watched Storks, this kids movie. I really like watching kids movies together, so that's what we did for a few hours. And then I went and did the horses, and now I'm just lighting the fire so that the house is nice and warm and I can make dinner and have a shower. So yeah, today's been really nice so far, but I better start this fire. I got the fire started, and look at that good little fire. Look how pretty the sunset is. I make lasagna a few different ways, but I thought I'd show you guys how I make the lasagna tonight. We've got the lasagna sheets, eggplant, mushrooms, onion, garlic, zucchini, carrot and tinned tomatoes, as well as veggie, salt, Italian herbs and paprika. I'll also have to go out and get some rosemary from the garden. Oh my god. Oh, my eyes. Oh my gosh. Stop. I think I'm also going to attempt to make like a vegan cheese to put on a little bit of it just to give it a test run. This recipe will be vegetarian, but yeah, I'm going to try the vegan option as well. So for the sauce, this is just a normal white sauce. I'm putting some butter in and melting that, then adding some flour and some milk. But I'm also going to make a cashew vegan sauce as well to put on some of it, just to try it out. This is my white sauce. It's just butter, flour, well it's actually Nuttelex, flour and milk, but I suppose you could add a vegan milk to it as well. And then this is what I'm going to do for my vegan cashew cheese sauce. I've soaked the cashews for a couple hours, and then I've got oat milk, garlic and paprika, and I'm just going to play around. I might add a few things as well. I'm just going to taste it. My camera ended up running out of battery, but I made the cashew sauce and I just put it down one side of the lasagna and I put it in the oven, so I'll show you guys what it looks like at the moment, but it should take probably at least 20 more minutes. We're watching Ricky Bobby at the moment. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but it's like a racing movie. It's really good. So we're watching that while we're waiting for the lasagne. Let's have a look, shall we? Oh, look at that. I'm so good. Oh, mate. Is that impressive or what? I look so good. Alright, I'm gonna cut it. Oh yeah. This one has the vegan cashew sauce, these two, but they have parmesan on top as well because I couldn't resist to get the crunch, you know. Oh, that's so good.